Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the Sol token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana NFT marketplace integration and dApp metrics shine even after Sol's 20% drop. Solana Sol price reached $143.50 on April 2nd, after an incredible 82% rally over a 20-day period. This positive performance can be attributed to recent non-fungible token (NFT) markets-related news and a market-wide bounce, but the current 22.7% decline could have investors confused. The rally started after Coinbase Wallet added support for Sol and other Solana-based blockchain tokens on March 18. The crypto exchange also outlined plans to further integrate with Solana by connecting the Coinbase Wallet with the decentralized applications, dApps, and NFTs hosted on the network. The expectation of OpenSea's integration of the Solana network also excited investors. This means Solana will join Ethereum, Polygon, and Clayton as the payment options visible in the drop-down All Chains tab on OpenSea's rankings page. Solana's strategy to focus on NFT markets seems to have paid off because the Layer 1 blockchain network has risen to third place in all-time total NFT sales on April 6. Moreover, the latest 30-day accumulated data shows Solana amassing $216 million worth of NFT sales. Solana's dApp deposits are on the decline. Solana's primary decentralized application, dApp, metrics started to display weakness in late March after the network's total value locked, TVL, dropped below 50 million SOL. The chart above shows how Solana's dApp deposits saw a 30% decrease in 3 weeks as the indicator reached its lowest level since September 20, 2021. As a comparison, Terra's TVL increased by 34% year-to-date, while Phantom Network deposits grew by 30%. On the bright side, on April 5, Neon released an alpha version for the first Solana Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) cross-compatibility and scaling solution. On April 7, Solana announced that over 1.6 million network addresses currently hold an NFT. A DeFi application stood out front the crowd to confirm whether the TVL drop is concerning. One should analyze dApp usage metrics. As shown by dApp Radar data on April 8, the number of Solana network addresses interacting with decentralized applications increased by 11% on average. Orca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange (DEX), was the absolute highlight, amassing 153,290 users. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones toward Ethereum compatibility and NFT market integrations. As long as this happens, the potential for further price appreciation seems likely. As shown by dApp Radar data on April 8, the number of Solana network addresses interacting with decentralized applications increased by 11% on average. Orca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange (DEX), was the absolute highlight, amassing 153,290 users. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones toward Ethereum compatibility and NFT market integrations. As long as this happens, the potential for further price appreciation seems likely. Sol price continues to trade lower after a massive fall in the last session. Further, the price is expected to continue south following the big red candlestick. However, the formation of the doji suggests a tug of war between bulls and bears. On the daily chart, the SOL price is struggling below the 0.50% Fibonacci retracement, which is extending from the lows of $77.74. A day before that, the price sliced the critical 200-day EMA exponential moving average, signaling problem for the SOL buyers. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs.